Are you looking to increase the number of people who are using your business intelligence solution? Are you looking to instill a culture of database decision-making? Do you need to change user behavior by helping your users focus on the metrics that matter most? Do you need to deliver end-of-term offline reports to your external or internal users within the organization? Does Shelley simply refuse to look at the reports that you've created, and your only recourse is to passive-aggressively schedule the reports to be delivered on an hourly basis until she gets the point? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then it sounds like you need scheduled reports. And assuming you read the title of this video correctly, you've come to the right place to learn about that. I'm Jeff, and this is Off the Charts with Jeff. So first of all, let's be clear about language. In Dundas BI, we have both reports and dashboards, but the ask that we usually hear is typically for scheduled reports. So what does that mean? Does that mean only reports can be scheduled? No way. You can schedule any type of content that you create and view. By the way, if you're new to Dundas BI and you're unfamiliar with the difference between reports and dashboards, we've got a great video that covers this, so check it out. So what is a scheduled report? In Dundas BI, it's called a notification. And it's pretty much as the name suggests. You can have content that's delivered automatically on a schedule that you define. Most people expect content to be delivered via email, but others might want something a bit more advanced. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's look at email first. With email delivery, you can choose the recipients, the subject, the body of the email, and even apply advanced formatting to customize your email as needed. Go ahead and customize this to your heart's content. For those interested in embedding scenarios or to simply take things further, you can have notifications that automatically drop a file in a folder. Now, why would you want this? Well, if you have a notification that's dropping a file in a folder, a third-party application can pick up that file and do something with it. The sky's the limits here, as you can do whatever you really want based on the time when the content's being created. Maybe you want to upload your content to the cloud. For those who want even more control, you can get a developer involved and create your own custom export provider. The Dundas support site even has a sample where it shows you how to create a custom export and delivery provider to Slack. Using Slack, you could have it delivered through chat. But since there's an API here, you can basically plug into anything you want. Now that we've talked about how you can deliver content in different ways, emails, files, etc., or using the API, what can you send? Well, you can send anything that can be exported. So we can export to Excel, PDF, image, PowerPoint, or even something custom using the API. Courier? But before I wrap this up, here's a couple of quick tips. I'm often asked, since you can schedule these notifications, who can do it? Is it admins? Is it users? The answer is everybody, but you might want to change who can do this. If your users are new to Dundas BI, I'd recommend setting this up so that the admin is the only one who can do this for now. That way, there's less of a burden for your users learning all the tools available within the application. Another tip, if you're scheduling data and nothing has changed, is it still worth sending an update? This actually reminds me of the old adage, if a tree falls in the forest and hits a mime, would it still make a noise? Did you know that you can send conditional notifications on a schedule? Maybe you only want users to receive a notification if the data went up, or it fell, or into a certain state. You can do this too. And lastly, something that we get asked about a lot is SMS. And it's something you can certainly do today via email. There's a lot of email to SMS services available. So even though you don't see an SMS option right there in the Dundas BI scheduler, it's something that's very easy to set up, and it's a feature that's often overlooked. So it's good that you know it's there. Now, if you want to learn more, take a look at the video that we did on making dashboards smart with tokens, as this feature goes hand in hand with scheduled reports to make them even more powerful. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.